how to design nutrition coaching packages, and specifically how to use the power of words to sell more packages. Welcome to my channel. My name is Coach Robin. Many nutrition coaches struggle with feeling confident, even outside designing a nutrition coaching package. So on my channel, I help them gain the confidence that they need to transform the health and lives of others, allowing them to build a successful nutrition coaching business. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, make sure that you subscribe. So being a great coach can sometimes lead to a problem, because if you're in this role that the client finds their own motivation, that you're asking questions instead of telling your clients what to do, if you believe that the client is in control of their choices and that they have their ownership, then you're very often rather passive during the coaching process. And that is very important for the change process. However, that means you're not used to using big, bold words. You're not used to persuading your clients to take action. But that is really what you need to do during the sales process. You have to provide a clear picture of your coaching package so they know what you bring to the table and what they get themselves into. That means you have to learn how to talk in your coaching business. That's often this motivational interviewing kind of question exploring type of conversation. And you have to learn how to talk about your business with clear, big, bold, persuasive words. And that's what we're going to talk about today. That means even if you're a great coach and you have a great program, you don't always know what words to use, so potential clients are more likely to sign up for your coaching. But here's the important part. You will always communicate with words, either on social media, on your website, or face-to-face in a sales conversation. So you will need practical techniques to talk about your coaching business in a way that is clear, persuasive, gets attention, and so you can sign up more clients. That means we are going to talk about ways to write copy that sells. It means once you have clarified how you want to talk about your coaching package, you can talk about it in a persuasive, clear, bold, convincing way, either in person, on your website, on social media, or whatever you want to talk about it. And I know some of the first thought gremlins are coming up. You're thinking a little bit itchy, salesy, cringy when you think about persuading your clients into making a choice. But here's the key. When you learn to clearly communicate the value of your coaching, you can help your clients make better decisions. By clearly stating what your coaching actually is about, you help them make a better decision. Because one thing is clear, your coaching is very much needed. Just a quick reminder, we talked about designing coaching packages a couple of times on this channel. We talked about the structure already. We talked about what to include in a coaching package and also how much to charge. All of this you can find in the cards here and also in the description below. I highly recommend you check these videos out. So here you can see the goal of today. We want to create a description of your coaching package that sells. And this could be on a piece of paper, this could be in a brochure, this could be part of a social media post. You can extend this and make it a little bit more elaborate on your coaching website. But the key messages that you want to send about your coaching package is here. This template and 3 additional templates are part of my coaching session preparation kit. You can download them, edit them. You can also get a coaching package price calculator, some tips on how to have better sales conversations, and a lot more. All of that is part of my coaching preparation kit. The link is in the description below. So if you're not sure how to structure a coaching package, again, the link is in the description below. For now, we will focus on the bullets that you see on the screen. So the parts of what is included in the package. Why do we focus on that? Because that's the part that most people jump to. They scan the headline and they jump to the features, where they get the details about your coaching package. And it's also the part that most people miss the most. They talk about the features like 6 times 60 minutes one-on-one sessions, but they don't describe the benefits and the meanings. So that's why we focus on the bullets here. How to describe the features in a way that makes the client excited to buy it. And you probably have heard about this a million times. Don't talk about the features, talk about the benefits. But actually, I want to push this one bit further. Talk about the features, the benefits, and the meaning. So, the feature is 6 times 60 minutes coaching sessions. The benefits, it removes the guesswork and gives you accountability, and it means you have a support system on every step of the way. Notice how different this sounds. Oh, you have 6 times 60 minutes coaching sessions? Yeah. Already much better, 6 times 60 minutes coaching sessions to remove the guesswork and give you accountability. That makes sense. But now you pushed it one step further. 6 times 60 minutes coaching sessions to remove the guesswork and give you accountability so you have support on every step on the way. And that's the key, finding these features, benefits, and the meaning to it in a way that makes the client excited. And so they actually understand what is the value of 6 times 60 minutes coaching sessions. The features often are very easy because that's what you're already thinking about. That's the structure. Coaching sessions, during the session check-ins, online check-ins, maybe assessments, and so on and so on. But the real problem often is, what is the actual benefit? And here you have 10 questions to understand the benefits that your coaching can bring. So for example, how will your coaching help them make more money? Maybe they will feel more confident, so they apply for a higher job. Maybe when they lean out, they get to be faster, or maybe they're stronger, or they are more athletic. How will your coaching save them money? For example, they don't have to spend all that money on supplements anymore. How will your coaching help them save time? If you're doing it right once, you don't have to do a diet again and again and again. And that means you can focus on your children, on your family, or on your business once you have finally mastered your nutrition habits. What is something that they won't have to do anymore when they get your coaching? Again, they don't have to diet anymore, or they don't have to jump from one diet to the next and gain weight and lose weight and gain weight. What about physical pains? Maybe their knees don't hurt so much anymore. Maybe their shoulder doesn't hurt anymore. Maybe they can grab their children without feeling this pinch with the belt. What mental pain or worries will be removed because of your coaching? Maybe you create a better relationship with food. Maybe there's no anxiety anymore when their client eats food or eats cheat food. How will their lives be more comfortable? This is really often the key of health and fitness coaching. They will feel more comfortable in their bodies. They will feel more comfortable in their clothes. They feel more comfortable when they're outside moving. What about more cleanliness because of your coaching? Maybe there's not so much of a mess with the eating anymore. How will your coaching help them be more healthy and alive? Again, really, that's again the core of health and nutrition coaching. Maybe they can get off their medication. Maybe they will just feel more energy, more alive. They will be awake for longer. Maybe they have finally the energy to pursue a dream, or maybe go on a big bucket list tour. And for humans, always status is also important. So how will your coaching help them be the envy of their clients? Maybe they finally get the shredded abs physique that they wanted, or they get at least be the healthiest husband or wife in their friend circle. Maybe they are finally able to do the marathon that they've always talked about. So leveling up their status again is a really, really important benefit that you can bring. And what I've just described also goes into how to be more popular. Again, the race of the status. But we are not done yet. I want you to push yourself. That's your challenge for today. Come up with at least one response to all of these 10 questions. If you really want to go hard, do 5 or 10 answers for each questions. But when you have done that, we are not done yet. There's another step. Now think about all the features of your coaching program. For example, coaching sessions, email support or text message support between sessions, online check-ins, a customized plan, individualized learning, maybe a Facebook group or an ebook. All the features, everything that you want to offer. And then do this. Make a document. On the one side, you have the features. We just talked about them, coaching sessions, individualized learning. Then the benefits. You have a list of all the benefits your coaching will provide. And then meaning. So you assign to every feature a benefit and a meaning. Very simple example, the feature is the drill. The benefit is the hole, but the meaning is you can decorate your living room. So again, features are easy. Benefits you have already covered if you take on my challenge of getting an answer or 10 answers for every single item on these questions. And then give him meaning. What does it mean for the client? And if you want to get my feedback, tell me in the comments below, what is the benefit and the meaning of an online check-in? Let me know in the comments below and I will give you feedback. If you're struggling with this exercise, again, this template and 3 additional templates are part of my free coaching session preparation kit. So let's take a look. We talked about the 6 times 60 minutes one-on-one sessions to remove guesswork and give accountability, direction, support on every step of the way. Again, feature, benefit, and the meaning. The ongoing support between sessions, feature, to help you stay consistent, benefit, no matter what life throws at you. So there's always somebody who helps you, whatever happens. Now the custom plan, it's also something very common in a coaching package, but what is the benefit? A custom plan to help you eat better that works. That's the benefit. Context, in the context of your life, even when things get crazy. So you have a plan that is adjusted all the time to whatever happens in your life. And then individualized nutrition knowledge. That is your key. You offer specific knowledge and habits that last a lifetime. Here is the benefit and the meaning in one. It lasts a lifetime. You only have to do it once. Now that you have a clear direction on how to describe your coaching package, I'm curious, do you want some techniques, some practical strategies on how to name your package so clients feel excited and immediately understand what you want to offer? If so, let me know in the comments below by just writing name so I know you're interested in how to name your coaching package. If you have done my challenge and followed the instructions, you have a long list of features, of benefits, of meaning. The question now is, what is most important? And here you have to understand your niche. You have to understand who is the type of client you want to attract. What is the best client you can do your best work with? And if you haven't decided on what is your ideal niche, you can find a video here and also in the description below on how to identify the perfect profitable niche for you. And once you understand your niche, it's very clear what is the most important feature, what is the most important benefit, and what is the most important meaning, because that will be at the top. So understanding your niche is the key to identify the strongest desire, and the solution for the strongest desires will always be at the top. But you can also use testimonials. You can ask questions like, what has been the biggest problem that I helped you solve? Because that's, again, is the strongest desire. That is what has to be at the top of your package description. And if you want to learn how to ask for testimonials without being pushy, then you can check out the video here and also in the description below. Now, how can you improve your package description over time? First, active listening. Ask your current clients if the description is a good fit, but also make notes during sales conversations and also during your normal coaching sessions so you understand what has been the buying decision, what made the difference for them to say yes to your program. And once you have identified this and get clearer and clearer on this, you can improve your package description. That means, just like any other skill, you have to practice. Communicating clearly and persuasively that gets attention needs practice. So you have to put in the reps of actually finding and refining your words. And lastly, you can always use social listening. Social listening means you check out the websites of other great coaches and you see how they describe their packages. How do they talk about coaching sessions? How do they talk about check-ins and accountability? So you understand what are powerful ways to describe the features of your package. And if you find these powerful words, you will make more sales. Now that you have a coaching package that sells, that uses powerful, clear, persuasive words, what is the next step? What do you do when a client actually says, yes, I'm interested? If you want to feel confident when you help others transform their health and lives, I highly recommend you check out my free coaching session preparation kit. I talk about everything from the sales conversation to assessing the first intake questionnaire, the first coaching session and how to set them up for success, how to have follow-up conversations, how to check in with them with an electronic form, and also how to ask for testimonials, how to ask for referrals. Everything in one free package. The link is in the description below. If you still have any questions on how to design a coaching package or how to use words to make more sales, you can leave a comment under this video or you can reach out on Instagram and I'm more than happy to answer your questions.